guys, Christina here with CBrinley Artistry, and I'm here to present something new to you for the Soulmate pour. This is going to be called the Split Series. Now I have 3 different ideas and I want to present all of them to you. I've been inspired by someone named David Price on Instagram. He's very creative and has just a different way of going about doing his art. So I will link his Instagram below so that you guys can check him out. For the first cup, what you're going to do is you're going to start off just like a normal Soulmate pour with the 2 cups going until they touch in the center. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take white and you're just going to go right down the middle and try to split them. And then you're just going to continue the cup like that with each layer. Just layer the colors, put a line in between, layer the colors, line in between, and then you're done. The Soulmate split cup. For the second one, you're going to do the same exact thing. 2 colors at the bottom. You're going to do a white line down the middle, but this time you're going to take a black line and you're going to put it right on top of the white. And just like the last cup, you're going to do the layers and then lines in between, and then however many layers you want, as long as you put the lines right in between each layer. I'm going to call this the Soulmate stacked split cup. And then for the third one, same as the last 2. You're going to do the layers, then a line of white down the middle, but this time you're going to do the black right next to the white. And then continue to do the rest of the cup exactly like that. And I will go ahead and call this cup the Soulmate double split since we're doing 2 lines. And stay tuned for each pours video. Thank you so much for tuning in.